Hello and welcome. This is Dasirafraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will create doors. So let's get started. First I will see how many doors we have. You can see here, let's just skip the D1 as this is the main door, okay. So we will just create D2, D3 and D4, just inner doors, okay. D2, D3 and D4. So first what I have to do, first I will just create layers for this, okay. So I will create the layer for D2, then D3 and D4. So here first I will just create a new layer of D2, okay, D2, and then I will just give a color of red, okay, and I will select OK. For door I will just select a color for red, okay, for all doors. Again I will create one more layer as D3, and then I will select as a red color, okay. Again one more layer, that is for D4, and I will just give a red color, okay. Now first I will just create a D4, so I will make this as a current layer, and then I will go here. First we will just create a door, then we will convert that door into block, then we will convert that block into dynamic block because we want some actions, okay, on particular door. So first I will just create a door. I will select line command, okay, then I will just create it here as door hinges, okay. So I will give as a 25 millimeter, then I will just create door leaf, okay, or door panel, so that will be just equal to the width of the door. So D4 width is, you can see here, that is 750 millimeter. So I will go again into the AutoCAD and I will give here 750 millimeter, okay. Then I will give the thickness of that leaf, okay, 25 millimeter, and then again 750, and then I will close this one, okay. Now what I have to do, I will just create a swing here, okay. Now this is open door and I want to just close this around this direction, okay. So I will make swing here. For that I will just activate arc command, A enter, then I will give first point, then this point, okay, and then third point here, okay. Now this is the swing of the door. Let me just convert this door into block. I will select this one, okay, from here and here as well, okay, and I will move from here, okay. I will move from here to this point, for example, okay. I will convert this into block. So to convert into block I will select this one, I will go into the create, and then I will give as this is D4, so I will give this as D4, then I will give a pick point, so this is the pick point, then I will just select this one again, okay. I will hit enter, okay. Now this is converted into block, okay. Whenever I will go here in insert, you can see this is D4. Now we will just create D3 as well. So D3 will be located here, okay. Let me just delete this one, okay. It will be located here. So first what I have to do, I will just change the layer from here as D3. Now I will just create D3, L enter, door hinges as 25 millimeters, okay. Then the door leaf is, let me just check the width of the door, so D3 is 900 millimeter, okay. So door panel will be equal to 900, then 25 as the thickness, 900, and then I will close this one, okay. Again I will activate arc command and I will give first point, second point, and this third point, okay. Now I will copy this door from here. I will select this as well. I will move from here, okay. I will move it to this point. Now you can see as D2 is only one door here, okay. D2 is only one door, so we are not just going to create a block of D2, okay, or we can just create only the block. We are not going to just give any action because only we need one door. So I will just implement the actions on D4 and D3, okay. So let me just convert this into block. I will go into the create. From here I will write here D3, okay, then pick point, so I will give pick point as this point, and then I will go into the select object. I will select this one, press enter, okay, okay. This is converted into block. Now let's just give the action to this door, okay. So I will just convert it into dynamic block. For that what I will do, I will go into the block editor, and from here I will select that particular block that I want to convert it into dynamic block. I will click OK. Now here you can see block authoring palette. From here I can give actions. For example, first of all I want to give flip action. Okay, so I will just select that parameter. I will go into the flip. Now it is asking about specify base point of the reflection line, so I will give this point as a base point. Okay, now it is asking about specify label, so I will give here. Okay, now I will go into the action, and from here I will select that flip. Okay, now it is asking about select the parameter, so I will select this parameter. Now it is asking about select the object, then I will hit enter. Now again the second action that I have to give here is rotation action. That is very important. I will go into the parameter, then I will select rotation action. Okay, now it is asking about specify base point, so this is the base point along which rotate. Okay, now specify the radius of the parameter, so I will click here. Okay, now it is asking about what is the angle, so you can give here angle as 360 degree. I want to rotate along 360 degree. Okay, then just I will go into the action, I will go into the rotate, and then I will just select a parameter. Okay, then it is asking about select that particular object, then I will hit enter. Now both of the actions are just applied here. I will just save this block from here. I will go into the close editor. Now I can check here whether the change applied or not. I will select this one. Now you can see both of the action, one is flip. Okay, and then another is what, rotate. Okay, you can see here rotate action is just applied here. Okay, now I want to just give action on this door as well, so what I will do, I will just go into the block editor. I will go here in D3. I will select this one. First I will go for flip, so I will go into the parameter. I will go into the flip action. Now it is asking about the specify base point, so I will give this as a base point. Now specify end point, so I can give end point as this point and label as here. Okay, now I will just go here in action. I will go into the flip, and now I will select that parameter. Okay, I will select this parameter and I will select this object as well. I will hit enter. Now the next thing I have to just give here is I will give rotate action, so I will go into the rotation, specify base point, or so I will just give as this as a base point. Now specify radius, so here I will select this one. Now I will give the angle. Okay, so angle here is 360. I will hit enter. Now it is asking about, now I will go into the action. I will go into the rotate. Now what I will do, I will just select that parameter, this one. Okay, and then I will select that object. I will hit enter. Okay, now I will go and I will save this block and close editor, and I will check whether change applied or not. So just check this one, flip action, and you can rotate as well. Okay, you can give the flip action on this direction as well. Okay, as you need the action, you can just apply that one. I am just giving you the procedure. Okay, so let's just insert the door here. For example, I want to insert the door here. For that I will go into the insert, and I want to insert D4 here. So here is D4, so I will insert that one. Now I want to insert D4 here as well, so I will go into the insert and I will just select this D4. Now I will just click here. Now I want to just rotate this one. Okay, first I will just flip this one. Okay, now I will rotate this one along this point. Okay, now I will rotate. You can see here, you can rotate this. Now I will move it from here to this point. Okay, this is how you can just insert the doors. Now I want to insert it here as well. I will go here, I will go into the D4 and I will just rotate this one. I will select this one and I will rotate. Okay, now I will move this from here. Okay, I will give this point as a moving point and this one. Okay, now you can see how fast we can just insert the doors. Okay, after making them as a dynamic block instead of just making one by one. That is very hard procedure. Now we are just going to insert D3 here, so I will go into the insert. I will select D3. Now I will select this point. Okay, this point. Okay, now I want to just insert here as well. For that I will just mirror this one, so I can use mirror as well. I will hit enter, then I will select midpoint, then I will give second point, and I will press no as erase source object. No, I will press no. Okay, now this is D3. I want to insert D3 here as well. I will go here and I will select D3. Okay, now I will go here and I will just click on this one, and I want to rotate this along this axis. Okay, I want to rotate this one. Okay, then I will move this. Okay, from this point to this point. I will copy this one again instead of inserting. Okay, copy this one from this point. Okay, I want to copy this here. Okay, now I want to insert it here as well, so I will go into the insert. I will go into the D3. Okay, now I want to insert this one, so I will just apply the action as rotate. Okay, I will move this from this point. Okay, I will move it here. Now you can see how fast we did it. Okay, so all of the doors are just going to insert here. Now here I will just create a D2. Okay, I do not need to convert it into block because this is only one door. Okay, so what I will do, this is double leaf. Okay, you can see here. Okay, you can see this is D2 and this is double leaf. Okay, not single leaf. So I will just create a double leaf door here. For that, what I will do, I will just check what is the just width of the door. Okay, so width here is 1200, so it's mean that there are two leaves 600 millimeter by 600 millimeter. Okay, 600 millimeter one leaf and 600 millimeter second leaf. Okay, so I will create hinges, so I will select from here as D2 layer. Okay, I will select this one. Okay, 25 millimeter hinges. Okay, then leaf of the door, as I told you, 600 because there are two leaf. Okay, and then 25 again, then 600 again, then I will close this one. Now I will just mirror this instead of making it here again, so I will just give line command here for mirror. Let me just delete this one, it is not okay. So this point and this point, and I will mirror this one from this point. Okay, and I want to mirror mi. Okay, then I will give this point and this point, and I will press no. Let me just press no. Okay, now I will just delete this line. Now I will just create one more line here for center point. Okay, so let me just draw this one. So again I will just activate arc command. I will give first point, second point and third point as a center of this. Okay, now again I will activate arc command, this point and this point. Okay, and I will delete this one. This is how you can create double leaf door as well. You can convert this into block as well. So I will just select this one. Okay, from here I will just go into the create block and I will write it as D2. Okay, I will just specify the point, so I can give this point as well. I will select that particular object from here. I will hit enter. I will press OK. Now it is converted into block. So this is how you can just create the door as well. Now you have just practical knowledge that how you can create a door, how you can create a block, how you can just give dynamic action. Okay, that is very important. So that is why just I am creating this part. Okay, so I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next. Thank you.